Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Gmail account from your Capsule CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Gmail from Capsule CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to change emails around, so maybe you want to go ahead and remove a specific Gmail. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Capsule CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Capsule CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to disconnect a Gmail account, you're going to click on your profile name here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, My Preferences. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these different options right here, and you want to click on this box here called My Mail Connections. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the Gmail that's connected to your Capsule CRM. You can see mine right here. And in order to remove this Gmail, just click on the red disconnect button here to the right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disconnect your Gmail from Capsule? You will no longer be able to use it to email your contacts from Capsule. If you're okay with that, click on this red disconnect button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this pop up here. My Gmail account has been successfully disconnected. So now if I want to use Gmail to send an email, I'll need to reconnect it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove a Gmail from your Capsule CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.